Vastram family, this is Sunita taking you into the set of new Kanjivaram collections. You're going to love them all. Happy shopping with us as usual, and do leave your comments about the collection, and that encourages us to give you much more better collections in coming days. This is set 3 sari number 1 Kanjivaram collection for 2021 from Vastram. This is 14,000 rupees. 2 grams zari purity Kanjivaram. This is the pallu, a nice dual tone short color with small booties here and there. Simple wear collection. This is like small parties, simple occasions, housewarming kind of festivals, and this is also a gifting sari. This is the blouse for the sari. The sari has this as a blouse, and the entire sari has one-sided border. This is okay. Here we have a nice tree of life and 2 peacocks. So peacocks, in the middle, that's a peacock motif, and there's a lot of detailings done on zari. This is the sari number 1, set number 3. Okay, priced at 14,000 rupees. Sari number 2, set number 3, Sankranti collection, Pongal collection. This is a nice the abstract design woven Kanjivaram, pure handloom Kanjivaram. Designs are very trendy. Color is also very pastel and in-trend color with a nice grey color combination with the golden zari woven buttas drawn all throughout. This is the paisley butta on the body. Here it's geometrical design on both sides of border. This is priced at around 19,500. This is a beautiful color combination sari. This is the blouse for this pretty collection. Means I'll show the sari with the blouse. It will look very, very pretty. 2 paisley motifs woven for the sleeves. One on each hand. So 2 paisley motifs. Look at the color combination. At 19,800, this is an awesome designer collection from Vastram. You want to thoroughly enjoy such collections. Here it's completely butta, small zari buttas woven all throughout. The entire sari looks like this. The feel is a Kanjivaram with so much of trend attached to it. It's hand woven beauty with a trendy combination and elegant colors. Sari number 2, set number 3. Set 3, sari number 3, another hand woven Kanjivaram beauty, daily wear collection, corporate wear collection. This is nice areca color with teal blue and kutti border in golden color running on to the borders, and that's the pallu part of the sari. It's got a nice contrast, same color blouse. This is how the sari is going to look. It could look amazing. 12.5 daily wear corporate wear collection from Vastram. Sari number 3. The sari, the entire sari has got those kuti temples, small temples here and there with the blue color highlighting. So when you're going to wear it like this, you're going to look so classy. This is a simple sari. As always, we are known for our collections and combinations of color. So we're displaying the same for you. Set 3, sari number 4. A double shot color in green with, we call it a kind of mandul. The buttas over here are very different. It's got both silver and golden zari buttas woven on the border, and that too, the border is not the traditional gatti zari border or something. It's got nice weavings all throughout in both gold and silver zari woven booties, and a very contrast pallu in blue. Look at the combination. And the body buttas are peacocks within the mandalams, circular mandalams, and here is the blouse for this pretty sari. A contrast blue blouse. This is how the sari is going to look on you. You're going to look amazing. This is dual tone, so either ways you walk. Here is the border part, never to miss. You're going to flip it up, you're going to look like this. This is this collection, a combination. This is the pallu for the sari. A pretty sari, which is priced at a handloom. All handloom saris are very, very color choice, like we choose with color. 17,500. This is the sari for you in total with a nice blue blouse. Sari number 4. Link will be provided for you to buy. Even website is there for you to buy and enjoy. Set 3, sari number 5. This is a like border on top. There is no border. Simple, elegant color combination. Temples over here is pretty. A nice butterfly motif open border this has got. And here silver and gold zari motifs are being, running stripes, vertical and horizontal lines are running around. And the whole body is a dual tone short color. This pretty it's going to look for you. This is priced at 13,000 rupees. A simple happy wear Kanjivaram this is the pallu. A purple and a green, kind of a dual tone green, pastel tones, which is very much in trend. This is the blouse for the sari. Blouse, pallu and the body, whole body. The speciality is the butterfly motif, and it's got both silver and gold zari stripes on the border. Here the butterflies are all in golden motif. This is the look of the sari. Color combination is very vibrant. So you want to enjoy. There is a small border in pink, short color pink. So that is also an option for blouse. And that's the pallu. Set 3, sari number 6. This is a blue and a green combination. The pallu is so rich, completely silver zari. Silver zari is very much in trend. Here this has got both silver and gold zari woven, a kind of rangoli designs woven all throughout with paisley's in gold and silver, also peacocks in gold and silver, small putty border, small border this carries. A very happy collection to have, and this is the sari for you, this is the look. And the blouse, the pallu is something very interesting as well. The pallu is a self pallu and a blouse is the contrast blouse. This carries a contrast blouse. A green contrast blouse. Okay, this is sari number 6 of set 3, which is priced at 15,000 rupees. Elegant collection, collection which is not to be missed. Not everywhere you get such collections. Boutiques are famous for their color combinations and designs. Yes, Vastram is also very much famous for the same. So this is one more feather to the cap. Set 3, sari number 7. Navy blue, pink and green combination checker, traditional Kanjivaram this is, with those temple borders on both sides. 12,800 is the price. A simple seal pallu or a reka pallu we call this, and that's the blouse for the sari. Okay, 12,800, sari number 7, a traditional Kanjivaram in checkers. When you want to flirt it up, you want to have a look of this sort. This is sari number 7, set 3 for the Shankranti Pongal collection from Vastram. This is set 3, sari number 8, checker Kanjivaram with cute little temples and a retabeta border, purple and cream. Inside the cream base there is purple horizontal running lines which makes the checks with black lines in the vertical running, and that's the color. It's got a pastel tone and a brown tone added to it. This is a traditional Kanjivaram retabeta color combination. Sari number 8. It's a nice running seed color. This is got, and this is the blouse with retabeta border. A traditional combination. Very pretty one. So this is the sari, and that's the pallu. And this is sari number 8, which is priced out around 14,000 if I'm not wrong. Yeah, it's 14,000 rupees. That's the sari for you. Sari number 9, set 3 of Kanjivaram collections from Vastram. This is a nice onion color Kanjivaram, and this has got very different border over here. We saw another color in set 1, I guess. This has got silver and golden zari woven booties, very traditional. Contemporary designs on the border, traditional Mail Chakram on the body. The color is very fresh and interesting, and it's got a contrast pallu and blue. That's the pallu of the sari. It's priced at 18,000. Sari number 9, a contrast blouse for this combination. So that is the sari with the blouse and a contrast pallu. 18,000, sari number 9. Look at the border. This is how when you flip it up, you will have it this way, and a contrast combination of blouse is going to make you look amazing. So just go for it. A color very fresh and a combination very interesting. That's sari number 9 from Vastram for the 2021 set 3. Sari number 9. Set 3, sari number 10, a authentic temple sari. This is Aishwarya Rai famous color combination, and that's a green border. It was very famous couple of years back, and still it never loses its charm. That is sari number 10 for you of set 3 of pure Zari Kanjivarams from Vastram for the festive collection 2021. This is priced at 18,000. It's got a bottle green color blouse with a small border over here in Zari. A lot of work would be done. You can Google for Aishwarya Rai's temple sari. You get this pretty collection. This is a pure Zari sari again. This is how the sari is going to look with a rich, nice, happy going pallu, rich Zari woven pallu and a contrast blouse. So at 18,000, this is available on our website. You can buy it through the website or through the links given on the Facebook, Insta pages, and happily enjoy shopping with us.